Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take ExpressVPN on a test drive for longer than a month without spending a dime, or whatever denomination of coin you have. There are a couple methods to do this, so I'll make sure to go through the process step by step and make it seamless to follow. As for the equipment, all you'll need for this is a mobile device, doesn't matter if it's an Android or iOS, and an internet connection, obviously. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first method is going to be claiming ExpressVPN's 7-day free trial. So not many people know this, but Express actually offers 1 week for free for anyone who subscribes to their services through the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Now, I know what you might be wondering, does this free trial only work for phones? So that's the cool part. You only need to activate the free trial on your phone, and then you can sign in with your account on any other device that you want to use the free trial on. Okay, so to do this, grab your phone, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download ExpressVPN. Once you download the app, open it and click on the Start 7-Day Free Trial button. This will take you to the subscription page where you'll see all the ExpressVPN plans. So choose whichever plan you want, click Continue, then fill in your payment details. Don't worry though, you're not going to be charged for anything for this as long as you cancel your trial anytime before it actually ends. So once you've filled in your payment info and credentials, you'll have the free trial active on your account for 7 days, and you can use it on whatever device you want with a limit of up to 8 simultaneous connections. And just a recommendation, I recommend you go and cancel your subscription the second you activate your free trial to make sure that you don't accidentally forget about it and then get charged later on. And no, you won't actually lose access to the free trial when you cancel it early on because it'll still stay active for the whole 7 days. So that's the first method. Now, the second method is going to be just as straightforward, and it's going to involve ExpressVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. This does mean that you're going to have to pay upfront for one of their plans, but as long as you claim your refund within 30 days, you'll get all your money back hassle-free, so you'll essentially be using Express for a month for free. Okay, so to do this, first pick one of these plans right here. It doesn't really matter which one you go for, but just in case you've already fallen in love with Express and would like to continue the subscription later on, I recommend going for something like the yearly or bi-yearly plan since they'll be saving you the most money with the discounts right here. And speaking of discounts, if you want to get an even better deal on your ExpressVPN subscription, you can click the link in the description, which will take you to the same page right here with the discount applied. All right, so once you complete the payment process and create your account, you can now try out ExpressVPN for 30 days, then claim your refund anytime before these 30 days are over. So to claim your refund, all you need to do here is go to the ExpressVPN website, click on the Need Help, Chat with Us button on the bottom left, input your email and click Send. This will connect you to a live chat support agent. Just ask them to give you a refund. They'll look at your account to see whether or not you're eligible. And if you are, you should receive your money in full within a week or so. And so by combining the two methods I just showed you, you can claim up to 37 days of free ExpressVPN and see whether or not it clicks for you. But just in case you're not familiar with Express, let me talk a little bit about it since it's my go-to VPN after all, so I can tell you exactly what to expect when you sign up for a subscription. So for starters, ExpressVPN is the best VPN for beginners and intermediate level users because it's so easy to use and feels so intuitive. Like there are no advanced granular controls to get lost in, and you can start using it straight out of the box. Feature-wise, you have all of the essential features you need in a VPN, such as the kill switch, which immediately severs your internet connection should you accidentally disconnect from the VPN server to prevent any of your data from leaking over to your internet service provider or government. You also get split tunneling, which I wouldn't necessarily call essential, but once you start using it, you can realize how handy and efficient it can be. So let's say you want to use the VPN service on your torrenting application, but you don't want to have any issues with your banking application due to conflicting IP addresses. Well, you can go to the settings, click on General, click on Settings over at the bottom in the split tunneling section, and you can choose to either set the VPN only on your torrenting application or simply exclude your banking application from that VPN tunnel. Another thing I really like about ExpressVPN is that it allows you to access different streaming services as well as their libraries pretty consistently. Like throughout my testing, I've realized that most VPNs actually fail at accessing these services due to the firewalls that these platforms put in place to prevent encrypted connections from accessing their site. Express, however, can easily walk around these firewalls thanks to their obfuscated technology that masks your encrypted connection and makes it look completely normal. Besides that, security-wise, ExpressVPN operates on a strict no-logs policy that has been audited by independent firms like KPMG, Cure53, PricewaterhouseCoopers, the like, to prove that they uphold their no logs claims. Not only that, but back in 2017, Express went through a real test where the Turkish government seized one of their servers as part of an investigation, but they found nothing of value on that server because, again, they don't log any data. So this incident alone made ExpressVPN arguably the most secure VPN on the market, and it's the best choice, especially if you're a privacy-conscious individual. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is just a quick overview of Express, so if you'd like to dig deeper into everything Express has to offer, you can check out the in-depth review I'll be leaving in the description down below. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to check out ExpressVPN in depth for yourself, you'll find links to pricing and those discounts, as well as full reviews in the description down below. Besides that, like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and let me know in the comments if there's anything cybersecurity you'd like me to cover. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.